Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Dividend Calculator app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Dividend Calculator is a financial planning app designed to help users estimate how much dividend income they can earn from their investments. It allows you to enter factors like dividend yield, investment amount, payout frequency, and expected growth rates to generate projections for monthly and yearly earnings. The app also helps users visualize how reinvesting dividends can increase long-term returns through compound growth. It's available on both iOS and Android and is commonly used by investors who want to plan passive income strategies. The app's main feature is its customizable calculation tool. Users can adjust inputs such as share price, dividend growth percentage, and time horizon to see how their returns change over time. It also provides charts, summaries, and projected income timelines that make dividend planning easier to understand. The app focuses on simplicity and is designed for anyone who wants a clear view of future dividend potential. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its easy interface, fast calculations, and visual breakdown of dividend projections. It helps investors plan long-term income goals and understand the impact of reinvesting dividends. The app is especially useful for beginners learning how dividend investing works. However, there are some drawbacks. The accuracy of the projections depends entirely on the numbers entered by the user, and dividend payments are never guaranteed in real markets. Some features may be limited depending on the app version, and it does not provide real-time stock data or investment advice. Market fluctuations and company policy changes can also affect long-term outcomes. In summary, the Dividend Calculator app may be worth using if you want a simple tool to estimate dividend income and understand how compounding can grow your investments. However, if you need real-time stock analysis, advanced financial tools, or personalized investment recommendations, this app alone may not meet all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.